Once you try it this way, you'll never go back. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making trofie with pesto, the traditional way. While in Italy you can find many types of pesto, Basil pesto from Genoa is the most known and used in different ways. However, the traditional way to serve it is with trofie pasta, potatoes and green beans. But there is a secret to this dish. Potatoes, green beans and trofie are boiled in the same pot so that the potato starch mixed with the pesto create a creamier sauce. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. Trofie is a fresh pasta like a short, twisted spaghetti with a chunky texture. You can either buy it fresh at specialised Italian shops, or you can order it from Amazon from the affiliated link above. I use fresh homemade pesto, and you can find the recipe in the video above. But if you want the finest basil pesto, go to Genoa, known for its ideal microclimate for growing top quality basil. Now we prepare the vegetables. Peel the potatoes and cut them into small, even cubes. You need to use waxy potatoes that hold their shape. You do not want the potatoes to dissolve and absorb all the pesto. Wash the green beans and trim off the stem ends. Potatoes and green beans should be cut to roughly match the size of the trofie pasta. This is important for two reasons. It helps ensure everything cooks evenly and finishes at the same time. And it allows you to easily get a complete bite with pasta, potato and bean together on your fork. Cooking time is very important. We will have to plan the boiling so that all the ingredients finish cooking around the same time, approximately 18 minutes total for potatoes. Here we are using fresh trofie that require only 3 minutes of cooking time. Bring a large pot of water to boil and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add the cubed potatoes to the boiling water and cook for 13 minutes. After the potatoes have cooked for 13 minutes, add the trimmed green beans to the same pot and continue boiling for 2 minutes. The green beans will cook totally for 5 minutes so that they will remain crisp. Add the trofie pasta to the pot with the potatoes and the green beans. Boil for the final 3 minutes or according to package directions. If your trofie package specifies a longer cooking time, add them earlier so they finish cooking at the same time as the potatoes and the beans. Carefully drain the pasta and vegetables together once everything is cooked. Potatoes tender, beans tender crisp, pasta al dente. You do not need to drain them completely. Keep a couple of tablespoons of the cooking water as it adds creaminess. Add the prepared pesto and toss gently to coat everything evenly. Serve immediately, adding extra grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese on top if desired. Italians would serve this as a primo piatto before the main, but it is such a complete and fulfilling dish that it can be served as a vegetarian main, especially on a hot summer day. For more pasta recipes, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget some extra cheese.